How to upload a video on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can upload a video on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to upload a video on YouTube, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Go ahead and then launch the YouTube application here. Just keep in mind that if the video is in a portrait format and if it is under 1 minute, YouTube is going to automatically regard that as a YouTube short. So you might want to make sure if you're not trying to upload a short, it's more than 1 minute and it is in a normal aspect ratio. So you can just go ahead and tap the plus icon that you can find from here, and then just go ahead and select a certain video that you would like to just go ahead and upload. In this case, once done, tap the next option here, and once you tap on next, you can just go ahead and then save the other changes here. So after you tap the next option, go ahead and make sure to enter your title, your description, your tags, and so on. After you've done everything else, you will be able to finalize this video and upload them successfully. This way you can upload a video on YouTube. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.